36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court is in session, there's no talking, walking around, driving, sleeping, or eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device and give your full attention to the court. Mr. Duda, okay. Unmute your device, Mr. Duda.
All right, this is the people versus John Duda, P1313810, count 1, driver's license expired. Ticket number P1310860, count 1, failed to stop for stop sign. Count 2, dirty, obscured, and properly displayed plate. Good morning, Mr. Your name for the record.
Morning, Judge. Rick Nelson, P39317, on behalf of my client, John Duda.
Mr. Duda, say your name, sir.
Yeah, John Duda.
All right, there's an offer of blockading. Expired, send your client does wish to avail himself to the offer, Mr. Nelson.
Yes, Your Honor.
You stipulate to the face of the ticket P1310860. You stipulate to the face of the ticket, Mr. Nelson.
Yes,
All right, so the court will amend count 1 to blockading. Do you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice?
absolutely.
All right, they're dismissed without prejudice. We will proceed to sentencing. Mr. Duda, there is a $175 fine because this is a civil infraction. You have 14 days to pay it. Can you have $175 paid by December 21st?
Absolutely, ma'am.
All right, any questions, sir?
All set, Judge. Thank you.
All right, it was good to see you, Mr. Nelson.
You too, Judge. Have a wonderful holiday.
Yeah, you too.
Okay, you're all set, John.
Have a good one, guys. Thank you.
All right.
All right, this is the people versus. We got Charlie Davis. Ticket number U623718110, count 1, alcohol related violation. Ticket number P1296330, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive-out license suspended. Ticket number U31560116, count 1, enter vacant house without written permission from owner. Ticket number 2039837, count 1, new operator's license in possession. Ticket number U3333107, count 1, alcohol related violation. Ticket number 568080909, count 1, it looks like alcohol related violation. Ticket number U623718110, count 1, alcohol related violation. Ticket number SP1308322, count 1, drive-out license suspended. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Charlie Davis.
Say your name, Mr. Davis.
Excuse me,
Your name, sir.
Charlie Davis.
All right.
Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to discuss a pretrial offer the people made for my client. At this time, he's waiving his rights and asked the court to adopt it.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Have you had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of March 16, 2016 at 2:40 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near 3761 Claremont in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Did you enter into a building without the owner's permission?
Yeah.
You're satisfied? Ms.
Satisfied, Judge.
Also satisfied with facts basis. We'll amend that count to disorderly conduct. I'm going to direct your attention to the date of January 13th, 2022 at 8:25 PM on that date and time were you at or near Metatol and Acacia in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2006 Cadillac vehicle?
Yes.
Not have insurance on that vehicle?
No.
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes, I were a judge.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Roby?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Satisfied with the factual basis, will accept the admission, and will proceed to sentencing. So, and then you stipulate the proper cause, oh, those are amended to improper place and fail to display.
Thank you.
And then you stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
They're all dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a $200 fine for the alcohol-related violation, which is also a 3-month delayed sentence. So you pay the $200, don't get any more tickets, come back on March 8th at 8:35. This will be dismissed off your record. As to the improper place and fail to display, there is going to be a fine of $300 for the improper place, and then I'll waive the fine for the fail to display, and then also I'll waive the fine for disorderly conduct. So you have a total of $500 that you need to pay. I'll just make it all on March 8th. So pay everything on March 8th, and everything will close out. You understand?
Yes.
All right, and then all your other tickets are dismissed.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Pretty good deal. I hope you do everything you're supposed to do. Any questions?
No.
You're all set, sir. Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And Your Honor, Mr. Petway, I believe Ms. Ross, one of the court officers just came and tried to get me because apparently she knows her, and I guess Ms. Rosalind Ross keeps trying to log in, but she's locked out.
And I've tried to bring in a few times.
Okay. Yep. So, okay, I'll let Officer Ruth know that.
All right,
Okay,
Was
thank you.
Officer Craxton, he checked in.
yes.
Did.
So, okay, you see, we still got people. Mr. Ramirez is ready.
All right, this is the people versus Rudy Ramirez, ticket number P12999416, count 1, lead scene of accident, property damage. Good morning, you say your names for the record.
Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Ramirez.
Yeah, yes.
Say your name.
My name is Rudy Francisco Ochoa Ramirez.
Your Honor, the people made a recommendation for dismissal. I would stipulate to probable cause.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Ramirez. Good luck to you, sir.
You can leave, Mr. Ramirez. Your case has been dismissed.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Juanita Roberson, ticket number P13111094, count 1, drove a license not valid or proper license.
And Your Honor, that's the young lady that Madam Prosecutor was just informing that she was trying to get in, and I brought her in, but she's on the screen, but I don't know where she's at.
Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to speak with Ms. Roberson. She was continuing her plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Her date would be January 17th at 9. I would like to do the waiver. We'll just hold off for a minute. Hopefully she'll come back before we're done with everything. What about James Dobbs?
James Doss is ready. He should have come out. He didn't come out.
James.
Mr. Davis, Charlie Davis, you're all set, so you can have it.
And you said Mr. Doss, Ms. Soroka?
Yes. He was in, I don't even know what room he was in.
And Doss, let me see.
There should only be a couple people in there that retains and Mr. Doss. There shouldn't really be anybody else left. Right?
Right?
We got the retains in one, the officers are in two. James Doss is in 13. Oh, and Stevens Reynolds. What's up?
Do you have an offer for that for Stephen Reynolds?
I thought I talked to him. Where?
I'm here.
The attorney.
I'm here for Stephen Reynolds.
Oh, the attorney's here on Stephen Reynolds.
He's got a few matters up. I haven't talked to the Miss Horn yet.
Yep, I'm here. I just finished up his offer.
Yeah, I have it right here. Mr. Rourke, his offer is fail to display.
2, Your Honor. Yep.
Yep, two failed to display and then dismiss everything else.
And that takes care of all his files. I think he had 3 separate files, if I remember correctly. And are the officers checked in on those?
Yes, we have Officer Nelson. Borsch was here, but I haven't been able to speak with him because he went to another courtroom. So I dismissed those 3 charges. And Officer Corporal Kropik is here, which is another no ops. So just 2 no ops and dismissal also of the misdemeanor U ticket for disorderly conduct.
All right, so it's a fail to display and dismissal of everything else.
2 failure to displays and dismissal of everything else. And Borsch is here, and I think he's available. He had 3 other charges. I dismissed one of Officer Nelson's one, so just 2 failure to displays and then a dismissal of the disorderly conduct as well.
Okay, I'll talk to him. Any chance he could do an allowing on it? We had to wrap this up because we're trying to help him get his license back.
I know, no, according to our plea policy, we're no longer able to offer that.
All right, I'm going to call him right now, but I think we're going to take that offer and put it on the record. I'll just
Okay.
go ahead and call him on his cell phone.
Okay, again, thank you for your patience. These dockets have been growing to enormous sizes lately.
Understood. Well, I'll get this one off for you.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Rocky, do we do a Malik Davis?
Malik,
Sounds familiar.
Malik Davis.
We were gonna do it. I think he dropped off.
Right.
He was here. There's a few people that have dropped off.
Okay.
Also, India Robinson, did we ever do her?
We did hers.
Okay. So then, Mr. Doss, did he come out, James Doss? There he is.
Yeah, this is people versus James Doss, ticket number P13615559. Count 1 fails to display valid operator's license, not a person, and ticket number P13615561. Count 1, driving register or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, if you have a James Doss.
Say your name, Mr. Doss.
James William Doss.
Your Honor, the people made a recommendation. I'm sorry, Mr. Doss has a license. It expires on 3/1/2026. I move for dismissal of that count.
You stipulate probable cause, Mr. Roki.
So stipulated.
That matter is dismissed without prejudice. As to the unregistered untitled vehicle.
Your Honor, he does not have registration. I'm asking, what's the recommendation then? Improper plate?
That's fine. Yeah.
He's going to admit improper plate, Your Honor.
Right here, Mr. Doss.
Yes.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
That you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Direct your attention to the date of June 8, 2022 at 7:50 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Finkel and Stansberry in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was pulled over. Yes.
Driving a 2000 Chevrolet vehicle,
Yes, ma'am.
vehicle unregistered or untitled.
Yes.
You satisfied, Mr. Roki?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Court also satisfied factual basis will admit the count to a proper place will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Mr. Dawson. Can you have that fine paid by January 11th?
Yes, ma'am.
Question, sir?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Bye-bye.
All right,
Judge,
Mr.
we're
Reagan.
ready to proceed with Stephen Reynolds' plea offer.
It's in row number 30. I think someone had to go get Mr. Reynolds. She's in row number 30.
I can try to go in.
Thank you.
Oh, is he out? Oh, he just closed out. He may have to close all the rooms.
Ms. Robinson, we're trying to call your matter.
Oh, I'm sorry, I had to go and fix my daughter. I apologize. I'm here.
Oh, Ms. Robinson, do you got on two devices? Because you messing up.
No, I only have one.
Okay. Keep your noise at bay for right now.
Officer Buchanan, we did do it like 2 minutes ago, so you're all that he made admissions to, I think, blockading.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, this is the.
Thank you, officer.
You gotta sit up, Miss Robinson. Miss Robinson.
This is the people versus Stephen Reynolds. 58448, count 1, driver register or entitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license not valid or proper license. Ticket number U31194316. Count 1, disorderly conduct. Ticket number P811793. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P385605. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. I think that's it. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Scott Rourke appearing on behalf of Stephen Reynolds, who is present via Zoom and no objection to Zoom conference this morning. Mr. Reynolds, please state your name.
Stephen Reynolds.
It's my understanding that there is an offer, and your client does wish to avail himself to the offer, Mr. Rourke.
Yeah, I believe that's 2 counts of no operator's license. Everything else will be dismissed.
Failed to display.
Failed to display, yes.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Reynolds. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Put your hand down, sir. Have you had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Rourke, in private about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
And direct your attention to the date of April 8, 2015 at 3:48 p.m. on that date and time. Were you at or near Pickford and Lasser in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2004 Mercury vehicle?
Yes.
You failed to display a valid operator's license that was not on your person?
Yes.
Did you fit? You're satisfied, Mr. Rourke?
Satisfied, Judge.
Satisfied factual basis. I'm going to direct your attention to the date of February 21st, 2018 at 12:25 p.m. on that date and time. Were you at or near McNichols and Rutherford in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Driving a 2001 GMC vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was not valid or improper?
Yes.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr.
Satisfied, Judge.
And I'm sorry, Officer Nelson, you want to take your name for the record? Officer Nelson, you around? You want to take your name for the record?
Yes, Officer Brian Nelson, badge 3664, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you, sir. All right, the court will amend count 1 to fail to display. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed, Mr. Rohr.
So stipulated, Judge.
Dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. As to the fail to display that happened in 2018, court will, there will be a fine of $300. The court will will waive the fine for the 2015 ticket, and then the other tickets are dismissed without prejudice. I don't know if I read this ticket. I just want to read it just on the safe side, the U3119436, which is disorderly conduct. I know that's as well. So can you have the 300 paid by January 11th?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
So you are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, everyone.
All right, thank you.
Down there, that's the young lady that's been trying to get in. She having problems with the internet. So I told her to dial in by phone.
Ms. Robertson, are you ready on yours? Ms. Robertson, ready?
Yes.
Are you ready, Ms. Robertson?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. This is the version of Anita Robertson. Ticket number P1311101. I'm sorry, strike that. P1311094, count 1, drove while license not valid. I think that's her only ticket. Why don't you say your name for the record?
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of Ms. Roberson.
Say your name is Robertson.
Juanita Robertson.
Your Honor, at this time, my client's entering a plea and not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
All right, raise your right hand, Ms. Robertson. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You do understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
So the court's going to
Yes.
set up for a bench trial date. Hold on, ma'am. On January 17th at 9 o'clock.
17th and 95.
Did you get the date?
Yes, January 17th, 9 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am. You're all set, ma'am. Thank you for your patience.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Have a good one. All right, who's on the phone?
Who's phone caller?
No, you're breaking up there now.
Oh, phone caller, could I have your name, please?
Rosalind Ross.
Oh, this Rosalind Ross. She checked in earlier.
Did we do our first already?
She kept having problems with the internet.
I think she was a recall. Let me see.
Bullshit. She was a trial, I think, officer. Dismiss it.
Rosalind Ross.
I don't see her unless she's on this last sheet. No one was on.
Trial.
Oh, she's in trials?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there she is. So the officer, we didn't have an offer on her.
It's supposed to be a dismissal. I guess the officer was gonna dismiss it. I don't know. Tamika might know more about it.
Braxton did appear.
Ms. Horn? Tamika? So Rosalind Ross hit Officer Croxton. Was it a dismissal or something?
I'm not sure what happened to Croxton. He Corporal checked in because I saw him when Mr. Petway was checking him in, but I haven't heard anything. And this is on which one, Ross?
Yes, Rosalind Ross.
I think that we may need a new date because she has been trying to get into the meeting. Has she been successful?
She's in right now, yes.
Okay, is Croxton here?
She's here.
Okay, okay, let me talk to him. If we can go in a breakout room.
I don't think Croxton's here.
He's not.
Okay, I can reach him, but I would offer blockading.
Okay, Miss Ross?
Yes.
So you have 2 tickets and one's for no registration, one's for speeding. The city's willing to give you a impeding traffic. It's no points. It doesn't go on your record. You just have to pay the fine. Would you like to accept that?
Yes, I guess.
So it's a responsible plea. It's not a guilty plea, okay?
Okay.
All right, we're ready, Your Honor.
All right, this is the People versus Rosalind Ross, ticket number P1311756, count 1, 11 to 15 miles per hour over coastal speed. Ticket number P1311788, count 1, driving register or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name, Mr. Arthur.
Colleen Soroki on behalf of Rosalind Ross.
Say your name is Ross.
Miss Ross, can you give the judge your name, please?
Rosalind Ross.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation to my client would admit 1 count of impeding traffic. At this time, my client's allowing me to enter a no contest plea on her behalf and stipulate to the face of the complaint.
All right, you stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining ticket to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
It's dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. Blockading has a fine of $175. Ms. Ross, can you have it paid by December 21st? Because this is civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay.
Okay.
All right, so December 21st is due. Any questions, ma'am?
No, that's it.
You're all set. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
So Corporal Latch, Jahan Duncan.
He was here. I saw him here twice. He was in a breakout room, then I saw him on the screen and now he's gone.
Yeah, he was having problems with his phone.
I was having problems this morning too. There's a lot of stuff going on with the Zoom.
And my screen